a diva. I'm 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 a diva.
This is the parrot green, as you guys can see. So I hide them from the sun and with the sun on. Woo. You wake up flawless, what's up, flawless. So yeah, this is the parrot green from the Siesta Original collection. The video before of this is the ebony blue, not the in blue, ebony blue. So, and this is the parrot green, and I like it. It's kind of cute. It's cute. You know why? Because they look natural, like if it's your real hair. So that is why. Oh yeah, I like it. Don't forget, it's from COLORCL.com. Everything is from COLORCL.com. Discount code JKTM for you to have 10% off. Yes, don't forget JKTM for you to have 10% off of each order you have. And I have lashes too. No, this is my lashes, okay? No mascara, nothing else, nothing makeup powder, nothing. This is my real face, my real hair, because I got it. But yeah, and yeah, so that is all. Don't forget, go to COLORCL.com. Go to COLORCL.com. This is the Siesta Original. This is the parrot green from the Siesta Original collection. Don't forget, discount code JKTM for you to have 10% off. Okay, Nikki say bye. This is this is a vibe. Oh, pink and blue, look cute, boo. Black and blue too. Don't forget to subscribe, leave the video a big thumbs up, comment and share. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.